Hi, I'm Eric Boyle, the Beast, the Pride Personal Training, Old Forge, Pennsylvania, thepridepersonaltraining.com. Summer's about, it's coming right around the corner. A lot of individuals from our newsletter, questions, feedback coming. How do we get our abs out? We want that iliac crest, that oblique muscle popping. So I'm going to take you through an exercise that's my favorite for popping out that iliac crest, that cut going down, and also the side oblique muscles. It's fantastic. We're going to first start with the heavy dumbbell. Now let me keep this in mind. You have to make sure this is important. You don't want to be repping out obliques with light weight. You got to challenge it out. A lot of structure, muscle there, your core. You want to go heavy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a 70-pound dumbbell. And what I'm going to do is on my supporting foot, I'm going to come up on my toe, put my hand on my head. And what I'm going to focus on is forcing my shoulders back. From this position, I'm going to stretch it and then slam it. You want to stretch it nice and easy all the way down and then fully get that contraction. See that? Look at that cover here. It's fantastic. Stretch it and squeeze. Get that burn all the way down and pop it hard. Nice and slow. Keep those shoulders back. You want to avoid coming forward because then you're putting pressure on your lower back like this. Keep it back and slam it hard. Hold that contraction. The stretch determines the circumference of oblique you're hitting, and the contraction is how hard you're hitting the muscle. So nice and slow down and slam it hard. Nice and slow, slam it hard. All the way up and pop it. Bang it hard. So with that, you're really focusing on that cut and you're focusing on the side. You'd be surprised how many muscles come out on your side when you're doing these properly. That's the first thing we could do. Second thing, if you really want to challenge it out, you get to the point where your obliques are getting stronger and stronger. I'm going to take you over to the cables. With cables, you're able to have a little more discretion with how much weight you put on. So for here, I have 245s on this. We're going to do the same thing. What I want you to do is come about 1.5 feet away from the apparatus, on your toe, on the supporting foot, this toe, on your head, stretch it, and then slam it hard. Stretch it, slam it hard. Again, keep those shoulders back and pop. Inhale, exhale. You want to think of it as a ballerina, car hard. Ballerina, car wreck, and slam it hard. Pop it, squeeze. Bang. With this particular exercise, it works fast. You will notice things on your core coming out you didn't think existed. It feels hard. And I can tell you this, if you're committed to this, you can do it 2-3 days a week, you will see a difference in 2 weeks. I promise you. I promise you do these 2 exercises, 5 to 10 sets, each third day, you will see results in 2 weeks. Go hard with it though. Don't be afraid to go heavy. Don't stay light. If you have a 10-pound dumbbell in your hand, you're going like this, stop it. You gotta go heavy. You want the obliques popping, the abs? Summertime, come out on the beach. You want to see those abs, so focus on going heavy.